Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a 2011 Honda Civic 1.8 liter engine, and we're going to be replacing the engine filter. There's the part number. You might want to get the correct part for your vehicle, okay, but if you have the same exact one, and that's the brand I'm using, that's the engine air filter. And then we have a cabin filter, okay. We're going to replace both of these. So in order for you to change these, it's a very simple procedure, but if you go to a dealer or somewhere, that's the brand right there, they're probably gonna charge you good, like 90 bucks to 100 some bucks. But why not do it yourself? So this is gonna be a very simple job that you could do yourself, okay? So we're gonna open up this. This is what this looks like, the cabin filter. Okay, it's gonna come just like that. This is the filter that's gonna give you air inside the cabin. So any air that you get through the vents goes through this. And how often you should change this? About every 15,000 miles. There's an arrow there, so you do need to follow that arrow right there. I'm gonna leave this as it is. And then we have an engine air filter. Okay, air filter only goes one way. It has a little curve to it, so you can't mess up. But anyways, we're gonna take this and put it into this car. Okay, again, these filters are about 10 to 15 bucks each, no more than that. But anyways, on this particular car, if you have a Honda Civic 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's going to be similar procedure. Well, 4 might be a little bit different, but these newer generation right here, if you got the same body here and same setup, okay? Engine filter is right in here. So you have a clip here, you remove this, you remove this, you remove this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. And then this whole housing here, okay? You're going to lift up this and you're going to grab it just like that. And it's going to come out, right from there, it's going to come out. Okay, very gently, just like that. You could take this and just flip it and leave it like that. Okay, right in here you have a filter. This is one of the best filters I like to change on this car. Not best filter, I mean like best setup. But look at that. Okay, it's gonna be a gas saver here. So the filter, if you have a lot of dirt debris in here, you could vacuum it out, but this looks pretty clean. So this filter, the new filter, is only gonna go one way. Bada bing, bada boom. You're gonna take this little guy. Make sure you don't get any dirt and debris, because this right here, there's a sensor up in here, okay? You don't want to get any dirt debris on that either, or your car will act up. So you take this and you're gonna gently line up the pipe hole right there, the air duct pipe. So this is gonna sit just like that. You take your clip, 1, 2. Okay, this one is the tough. 3, it's the angle. Wow, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 clip. I don't know if I said 5 earlier. But anyways, bada bing, bada boom. Time for us to go inside the vehicle, right where the glove box is. That's where our cabin filter is. It's locked. Okay, I unlocked it. And I bet you there's gonna be a lot of stuff inside the glove. Inside the glove box. I gotta remove my glove because, oh my God, did I lock this car? Or did I unlock it? I think I locked it. So there you go. It's unlocked. And we're gonna just come around, open the door. Okay, there's stuff in here. I don't want to give any information of the customer out, but let me just take out this stuff. So remove all the stuff out of the glove box. Okay, everything just comes out. And there you go. Everything is out of there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this little guy right here. You're gonna push inward here and inward here. 2 hands better than 1. Me, 1 hand, not so good. But once you have pushed both of these little tabs, your thing is gonna be right open. Right here, there's an arrow here. You gotta follow that arrow. So you're gonna, new filter has to go in the direction, okay? So you push on this and that, your tray comes out. This doesn't look so bad, but it's gotta go. All right, so what I like to do here is just push from down bottom with your fingers and the filter will just pop up. Okay, notice how the filter sits. Notice the arrows facing down, and notice how it sits. Okay, you see this area right here, this side, the hard side, is to the sides. Okay, so we're gonna get it the same way. Make sure you tap this. Everything's out of there. So my new filter is sitting down here. So we're gonna do the same thing. Remember, the arrows, if I can see, are gonna go down, and there's like a little slot here, so there's no escaping of the air. Make sure you get the edges to sit perfectly. And there you go, one shot, bada bing, bada boom. This side not so good. Let me fix this side up. Okay, there you go. Perfect, perfect. This is a 2-minute job, guys. You can do it yourself. You take this little guy, and sometimes you will drop like something inside that blow motor or leaf and stuff. Don't worry, I do have a video on how to remove that blow motor and get everything out. So if there's a lot of leaves in the fall in there and you get a noise, every time you put a motor in, you'll know how to get it out. But this goes in just like that. It only goes one way. You have to follow the arrow facing down. Click, bada bing, bada boom. You take your glove box, push it up, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so there's not much to it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and save that moolah.